Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working guys on a Ford Focus MK3. This is the third generation Ford Focus from year 2012 to year 2019. And we'll show you guys how to remove and replace your radio switches, radio controls and the hazard light switch control guys. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. The switches are actually a separate thing from the radio. It's not the radio guys, so they're replaceable. And we'll show you how to do that. Quick introduction. We guys have more than 200 videos on Ford Focus third generation guys, and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that? Because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully guys you will find the information helpful. Let's start on it now. What I would recommend to have the emergency brake on guys, okay, always, because eventually we might end up guys putting it in neutral here, because we'll need to remove one cover, and I'll explain where that one is located now. Okay, let me show you. It's this cover right here, it's a little bit hidden. So now guys, those are the radio controls right here, hazard light switch, unlocking button here, switch as well guys. Okay, you can see that all that is one assembly, so we'll show you guys how to do that. Not very complicated, stay with us, and we're going to show you how to remove all that and how to replace it in case you need to. So right here now guys, okay, let me explain what we'll be doing. Okay, we'll be working right here, so we'll need to actually go ahead and put the camera, okay, all the way down. Okay, like that, so we can see what is happening there guys. Right here there is one cover that, okay, I'll need to get my head here quick so I can see too, because it's very, okay, very limited room guys. Okay, this cover right there in the middle, check it out now. Okay, this cover guys comes out. Okay, let me show you now. This is it. Now it has two places, okay, where it attaches, one here, one over there, one here, one over there. Now what else we need to do? Let's come down there guys. Okay, and we need to get a Torx 20 star looking bit, so I'll go ahead, grab that quick, and we'll continue. Now we need star looking bit, 20mm star looking bit. I'm going to get the electric screwdriver so I save a little bit of time. We're going to remove one screw now. Okay, that's what it looks like, and I'll remove a second one now. Okay, this one is a little bit hard to get to guys, so I will probably need to, okay, let me see, I will need to shift the car in. Yep, we'll need to get it in neutral so I can move the shifter a little bit, and we'll have to go ahead, turn the key, and have the emergency brake applied and put it in neutral or drive, but make sure that you don't roll down the hill, put the tire chokes or anything like that. So ignition is on. Okay, and we're guys going to go ahead, okay, and put it like that. Now I'm going to turn the key off, and we'll show you what else we need to do here. Not very complicated, by the way. Okay, it will start beeping in a little bit because I will put it in park. Okay, now we can put it in park, perfect, and turn the key off. Great. Now I removed guys, two of the screws are out. Now what else we need to do now? Let's hold like that. Okay, perfect. Now like that, and we're going to go ahead, grab that piece, you pull on bottom first, then slide like that, pull out. You have a clip right here guys. I'll recommend to have your car battery disconnected at that point so you don't burn anything guys. And let me show you what we'll be doing here. Okay, this is where the connectors are now located. Okay, this connector, okay, right here, we press in and we release. Okay, and we're going to grab that piece. Okay, let's leave that piece for a second. You can see the connector guys. Okay, it's right there. Okay, you press in and you pull it out. Okay, just like that. So now guys, okay, we're going to go ahead and show you how to remove the radio controls. So I'm going to come on this side now. Okay, perfect, let's hold it like that. I'm going to get the same Torx 20 star looking bit, okay, that we used earlier, and we're going to remove 4 bolts. 1, 4 screws, 2, 3, Okay, 4 right there. Everything was going good until we dropped them. So we'll get them in a second, okay? Because that thing will come out. Just grab it and pull it out. And your radio controls, guys, okay, with the switch and everything's coming out just like that. So that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful, guys, to any of you trying to do anything like that. Please, guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.